So here's how to create a Capcut template. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to open your Capcut app. Once you have opened your Capcut app, then here you have to click on the templates option at the bottom. Once you click on it, now it will redirect you to this page. Here at the top of this page, you will be able to view the Joint Creator Program banner. To create Capcut templates, you have to simply join Capcut Creator Program. First, you have to join the Capcut Creator Program, and once your application is accepted, now you can create templates for Capcut. To create a Capcut template, click on the new project option. Now from here you have to select the images that you want to add to your project or your template. Here you can add as maximum photos. Once you have selected all of your desired photos to add onto your template, now click on the next option. Then here you have to first select your ratio. To select your template ratio, click on the ratio option and then you have to select the 9:16. Now you can adjust your photos by clicking on each photo. Then if you want to add any animations to your photo, you can simply click on the animation option and now select your desired animation for each photo. Now to add transitions, you have to simply go to this point and click on it. Then from the given transitions, you get any of your transition here. Now apply transitions one by one to each of your photo. If you want to add any text to your template, you can also do this by clicking on the text option. You can also apply the formatting to your text here. If you want to add any special effect to your photos, click on the photo effect option. Now from here you have to select any desired photo effect and then click on the done to add it. Now to add music to your template, click on the music option. Now from here you can simply click on any music to add onto your template. You can also add music from your mobile phone, or you can use TikTok music to add into your template. Click on this export icon at the top right corner to export your template. Now here you will be able to view the option to share as template here. So that's how to create Capcut templates.